Hey, Candle Chef here. Welcome to the channel. First video, launch date, October 20th. Very excited. My line is coming out. 2 vessels that I have. I'm going to have the mason jar and I'm going to have the 8-ounce Libby status jar. Very excited about that. A lot of testing, a lot of wicks, a lot of videos. Very excited. Today I'm going to be focusing on wicks. Trimming, 1/4 inch, very important for the melt pool, for the burn. A lot of things that I've picked up, a lot of things that I've learned about that specifically, because that's going to be important as you burn your candles moving forward after the first burn. First burn, of course, try for a couple hours. After that, important to trim the wick. Also, in future videos, I'm also going to be doing individual videos for anyone who has ordered a candle. Basically, I'll be making your candle as you've ordered it, so you're basically making it with me. The color, the scent, the vessel. So I'll take you through it, show you how your candle was made, and we'll ship it off to you. So that's that. So let's get started with the trimming of the wick on how I do it and what you can actually see that you'll, with my specific candles and some other candles that actually have the mushrooming, how to take care of that, how to trim it. Hey, today I wanted to go over how to trim your wick. Pretty simple with the LX series of wicks. As you can see, they mushroom. Pretty much all of them do. And what you want to do with these particular wicks, I use a mix Parasoy blend with these type of wicks that I get from Etsy. And typically they always mushroom like this. So basically what I do is I will just kind of, you can get a paper towel or you can just use your fingers. I'll just pop the top there, the little mushroom cap there. I just pop, and then I'll go ahead and throw that away. Same thing with this. You just kind of pop the top. Pretty simple. There you go. And you want to keep your wicks typically at about a quarter inch. So what I'll do is I just kind of clip the tip. I'll just basically just take a little off the top, just like that. And discard that. And then what I'll do is the same thing here. Just a little off the top. And that'll pretty much get you about your 1/4 inch. And typically that'll burn great. As you can see, I've burned these candles each time. This is about my 5th time with this one. About 2 hours, which has given me a great melt pool from side to side. This one I've burned twice, again a couple hours, which has given me a nice melt pool. And trimming your wicks at a 1/4 inch really helps the candle to get your melt pools from edge to edge.